What is the matter?
Gentlemen, we are doing this high voltage installation, 500 volts, and this is the inverter. This is the inverter. Just come, you can see we have this is a lithium battery, 15 kilowatts. So this is the back. We are going to teach you. And, so this is the positive side and this is the negative side. So these two, they are the same terminal. These two, they are the same terminal. Where's my multimeter? Someone give me multimeter. So you can see, but in most cases we use these two terminal when we want to parallel the like this. You can see they will not read. These two, they are the same. This is the breaker for it to turn it up, and this one is for the communication cable. Then we also have the stick setting. You can see we use just check, come close. So this one, you also have a setting where you are connecting more than one. So I'm going to close it back. So we are using one battery. Okay, so come to this place. So right now we this inverter here. So you can see when it's coming like this. For you to access it, you need to open the screw. There is 4 screw, 1, 2, then 3, 4. So you just open this one. You can see. So this is it. So these are communication cables for if you want to parallel the inverter, maybe 1 or 2 inverter. So you parallel there. And we also have other communication cable here for ROJ45. That is to communicate with the battery. And we also have this cord. We also have this cord and the communication cable. This we use to communicate with the lithium battery. We use this one for communication of 2 inverter. And we also use this one too to communicate. That is to parallel more than 1 inverter. So we are going to show you step by step because we will be doing this installation, taking us almost a whole day. So the video will be long. So we just want to explain to you how we finally conclude the installation. So you can see, it says please remove this label when connecting the battery, so that for you to get your battery terminal. So we have removed it. Inside you can see the positive and the negative terminal. So this is our PV. This side is for PV, positive and negative. So we have done that. Under this place you get all the information under. Just come, just take it, you just follow the procedure. You can see under it, you will see it, the battery, you will see BMLs. That is also for communication. You see the PV. So our PV is where the PV is, and our battery is where the battery is. You can see that these are for the AC input and the AC output. So we have done that. So this here our PV is coming. Just this our PV cable. Just take a look. It's coming. It's coming. Come, please come. Come. So we not just take it straight to the inverter. We take it straight. This is where it's coming. You can see. Come, please show this breaker. This is a DC breaker. We are using this breaker. So now we have a DC surge. This is a complete installation for protection. This is a DC surge, DC plus and DC negative. So we are taking the negative. We are taking the negative, this negative here from this DC source. We are taking the positive to this positive. Then under you can see, and then we have the 18 under the DC surge. You can see this is the surge. So straight, you take it straight to the 80. Make sure that your 80 is working effectively. Then come, we have explained this box. Then in this place, this is our output breaker. So the output breaker, this our output breaker. Please come here, come to this place. This is the terminal. Come to this place. This is the terminal of our output breaker. We indicate it with black. This is the negative and this is the positive. So this output is coming to the side, come straight. It's coming to this breaker. This is the output breaker. Now from here, we are taking this output breaker straight to supply to the DB. That is to the changeover supply. Down we are using down for the inverter. So our up, we make provision for other source in case, if for instance you have an emergency, your inverter is not working, you can take it back to other source and then out away from the inverter. So down we are using this breaker for charging. We are using this breaker as a charging source. Because while we are using 125, the reading is given out from this place. Come and see the charging, because we want to increase the charging current about 190 amps. Go 190 amps. So now we are just use this one as a protection for the breaker. So the same thing likewise. This is the positive to the positive of such, negative to the negative of such, and under we are taking to the, this is the earth sign. We are also taking it to the earth, to the general earth of the building. So then doing this, our next our source is coming from the DB. That is to charge the inverter. Battery is coming from the DB. So this two cable is for the load. So now we are about to terminate our lithium battery. We are going to be showing you, and we are making this video for you to follow our page. If you have any technical issue, also let us know. After this video, we are going to make a battery, and we're also going to mount more of this inverter system. We're going to show you step by step on how to power your inverter, how to make it three phase, how to make it two phase, as you wish, depends on the load that you want to use it for. So okay, so go with us as we progress. Just follow us. Now this is what you do. This is the cake. See, you can see this is possible. So we have already lose it. So just follow it. Make sure that you add your lithium battery. So we are going to do that. So you can see open here. These are for the communication system. Just open it. Okay, so these are for the battery. Okay, so now we are here. So just follow us as we proceed. So we are going to clear this place so that there will be space for us to drag our lithium battery. Okay, so gentlemen,
put the battery.
yes, just as I said, it's very important. You can see. Do you see? So you see. So now we are going to. And then if you check under, we also have just under, you can see, look under. If you want your job to be neat, you don't need to fly your cable, you can equally also pass under. So right now we are going to pass under. So some more, give me cutter. I need a cable lock for us to press a smaller cable lock for us to do the AT system. So thank you. So please give me okay, we can use this. Okay, you. I'm going to compress it with this. Sorry. If it's too long, you cut. So there. Thank you. Okay.
Okay.
So it's okay. So please give me sellotape. Let me note it. So please note this not it's our edge. So we don't have yellow tape. We are using black tape. Just to close. The system to address. Okay, thank you. So thank you. So now you can see this is a symbol of the of 18. So we're going to lose it. Okay. So you can see, don't subscribe to our channel for you to have more of this video. I'm going to show you step by step. Don't mind, you take it back to its position, so you can see. So everything is in position. There. Wow. So because of the distance of the cable, we need to drag our cable. Since it's too short, we are not passing down, we are going to pass up. You can see, because it's too short, this is our cable. We can pass down. We just need to pass, we are going to pass like this. You can see, we are going to pass like this. Do you see? Wow. Let's go. If your cable is not long enough, you have to add, use pass through this way. Okay. So that we pass through this way. Okay. Okay. This is what we are going to do now. This is star. So now we're here to terminate.
Anyone you cut, which one you cover? Measure and design you cut. Use tape measure.
Use tape measure. Make sure you carry the cover there. That is about 50 and a quarter.
So you can see.
Quarter.
You can see all the instructions here. Make sure the grounding wire is connected and which is this, and then make sure battery wire are correct. Just have to make the battery wire are connect. Do not connect in reverse. So just follow the procedure so that you don't make mistakes. So you tight okay. Make sure that here is properly tight down. So I'm going to introduce this cable. See, this cable is very, very important. Okay, you can use the black wire for communication. Okay. You can use any of this. I'm going to use this. Because of the length, I'm going to use this one. They are the same. Because of the length, let me use this. You can see you see that we are taking it to so down check.
Carry that long.
Let me see. Okay, you can see this for power and this for communication. Okay. Let's see. You can see. Okay. I've gotten it. This is it here. Okay. Thank you. Now we have finished this installation. We are going to test. One of the engineers is doing the preparation. He's trying to close the. He's trying to close the BD. You can see. We are going to close all the DB. Oh, we can cut. You can cut the top so that you can see it well. Cut. You can cut. So we are going to close it. We are going to do test, and then we are going to show you all what we have done in this video. So just follow us.